Guys, we've got an iPhone 11 here with us today. The color is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's a product red one. Mostly we do reverse products, so it's very rare for us to do new unboxing. So we'll quickly just open it. So it's quite simple. Wow, it's a song of money flying away. I'm not supposed to say that, but okay. So we've not opened this unit before. You can see nothing inside. Absolutely gorgeous color. So it's, if anything, the color I think inside it's a little bit more vibrant. You won't be able to see this on the camera, but it's just satisfying. It's probably, would you say, Luke? Would you say this is cherry red, or is there a better description of this specific?
No, it's pretty cherry red, I think. Yeah.
It's not the deep fiery red, but it's almost looking. From this angle, it's almost a little bit pink, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, so we'll leave that because we've ordered a screen protector that's arriving tomorrow. Source menu, headphone adapter. So this is still the slow charger, so this is not the iPhone 11 Pro, so it's we'll probably have to upgrade at some point. We just bought this at some point we need to do more production stuff, so it's actually quite helpful. Hopefully over the next week or so we'll do more content on this specific device, but first impression is wow, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not so sure about this specific color because it's a little bit lighter. On some of the other colors it might blend in a little bit better, but for me it looks absolutely gorgeous. It could alternatively be the fact that we have some lights, so perhaps if you're definitely interested, pop in the Apple store and take a look for yourself at which color you prefer. I think most of people will use this in a case anyway, so you probably, whatever the color on the back you wouldn't necessarily see, so, but it's quite gorgeous. Anyway, that's all we have time for today, so give us a subscribe if you can. Thanks.